Hello, I'm Sandy Pearman.
And I'm Anna Pecker, and we're from Property Brokers Palmerston North.
We'd love to welcome you to 9 Awatea Terrace in the heart of Hokowhitu here. It's an absolutely stunning home. 3 bedrooms, the master with its own little private retreat and a separate office included in this property.
We've got outside an absolutely gorgeous manicured gardens, hedges, roses, you name it, and plenty of trees. We've got a wonderful park-like outlook over Awatea Reserve, and here in the property you get to enjoy a wonderful louvre system with this fantastic large deck, and also we've got double car garaging, a carport and plenty of off-street parking. It is really fabulous here.
Come and see us at the open home or make a private viewing. We'd love to see you.